Alright, this is some caveman baseball right here. Oh, I kind of missed the ball. I'm filming at the sec, Mom. We're playing caveman baseball. Geez, Mom.
Created by Mom.
Hey, does somebody want to record so I can...
Huh? Wait, go again. I'll record it. Oh, that can't alright. Huh?
And the handoff to Sam Dorsey. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Can I take a hack at it?
A hack?
A hack. Take a hack at it. Wow, just when...
Careful. Wing in a minute. You guys...
Now you need a catcher.
I just want to show you something and then you...
Okay, one sec. I got it.
Okay.
Pretty far there.
Do we want to try? Yes. Yes. Here. Okay.
You guys,
Huh?
my mom had a video with Zac Efron in it. Wow.
Oh, wow, and I love how that was...
Yeah.
That was so cute.
What movie?
Well, give it to me. Don't leave it out there.
The Derby Stallion. Closer. Oh, okay.
It's a
Oh, okay, got it.
Okay, now let's watch Taylor's match skills, okay? New release.
Woo! That might have been a foul.
Yeah.
A foul.
Underhand or over? I don't know.
Okay.
That ball is nice though.
I don't like it.
We created so many new skills here. YMCA. Yay. Wow.
Woo!
You didn't get my awesome hit on camera. It went way over there. It was pretty cool. Yeah. Awesome.
I spiked it.
Yeah.
This isn't volleyball, Laura.
What?
Nothing.
I got like 2 swings. Oh, bitch!
The umpire?
Yes.
Holy frick.
That was about as far as mine went.
I didn't catch that the whole time.
What? Nice. This game involves like bases. We hadn't quite created those yet, Laura.
Oh, well.
I got a home run off
a bunt.
Ow.
Liver. What the heck?
Hey, Samo. I'll be the
What the
camera
F?
woman.
What the F? Oh!
Look out.
I want to be the camera woman. Okay. Hand off to Taylor. Yay. Okay.
Nice, Laura.
Oh, whoa, I didn't realize.
I'm not clean at all.
I didn't. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Here comes the pitch. Yeah, where'd it go? Okay, woo! How do you zoom in?
Ow.
Yeah, there we go. Sweet.
It took me like 5 minutes to figure out.
I know, it's pretty cool.
Right when I got it, I was like, oh, here's the zoom. Here's the zoom.
Mm.
I'm under it. I need to get on top of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Do that. Oh, I will.
Here we go, the whole field in view.
Taylor, flip-flops! In the way.
Oh, thank you. My flip-flops. Huh?
Oh, you're out. Foul ball.
Yay.
I was in front of it. Never again. Never again. It hurt. I love how I can grab this ball. See how so uncoordinated? I don't think it takes much coordination now.
Good ball. Yeah.
Can talk.
It's been around for like 10 years. Actually not.
That's awesome.